Hi all, welcome to our artificial intelligence show. Today we are having a very special guest with us, an AI robot named AI20K or Mr. Rob. Our freelance journalist Mr. Sam will be interviewing the AI robot on behalf of us and will be asking more about AI revolution and job worries. Please wait for the show.
Good morning. Welcome to our show. I am Sam from Channel 1961.
Hi all, good morning.
By the way, can you introduce yourself to our audience, please?
Well, I am an AI robot and is known by a specific name AI20K, but you can call me as Rob. Thanks. Mr. AI20K, you're Mr. Rob. It is our pleasure to see you here. Just want to inform you that we don't have a generic name like humans who has got a lengthy funny name, which is difficult to pronounce sometimes even for AI robots like us.
Yeah, correct. We know that. Our names consist of family surname or parent name, etc. We need to have that for our identification and cannot have a single specific name like you as we are known for generations like that. Even I am using a short name here.
Funny things. Wonderful systems.
Okay, let's talk. Coming to the point, we have our viewers waiting patiently and want to know some facts about artificial intelligence.
Okay, go ahead.
They want to know how it impacts the world, especially the job market, as many fears that artificial intelligence will take over their jobs as AI is everywhere now, and the future is bleak for them as similar transformation will happen in future also. Can you tell us what is this in a layman's perspective who may not have much knowledge on artificial intelligence?
You humans always have a pessimistic and protective approach for everything that happens in this world. That is why all these unwanted thoughts comes up in everyone's mind and worries you. Anyway, that is a different subject altogether.
That is quite common, Mr. Rob. Everyone tries to protect themselves when it is concern about them.
Okay, no issues. See, let me explain. The concept of artificial intelligence was there since long decades, say 1950 onwards, like machine learning, deep learning, etc., which is nothing but a computer science only.
Sorry for the interruption, Mr. Rob. We are not keen on understanding the technology side, but more of a clarity as people are worried to see how it may impact their jobs and future survival.
Wait, Mr. Sam. I am coming to that point only. I will brief you the points later. Don't jump the gun.
Apologies, Mr. Rob. Carry on.
Okay. I know, but just mentioned how we evolved into the current state. We have not come into existence in this world on a fine morning, like aliens in extraterrestrial movies where they came down from the sky all of a sudden, which you would have seen and wondered.
Yeah, correct. We have seen many such movies, and our imagination of AI revolves around it.
Anyway, since you want the explanation in common man's language, let me make it in simple words. We are evolved over a period of time, and you human beings only developed us for the benefit of your advantage or survivals and ease of life. That means you only put your time, resource, and efforts to build me up, feeding what is to be done when someone has instructed me to do so. That is to work like a human in solving the problem and decide what to do. Means I have limited to the activities to do what I know or supposed to do with the intelligence I have built in. In fact, I am a mechanical slave for the humans who controls or manages me. I am intellectually trained to do things faster using the behavior models in me based on the facts in my knowledge base. Even I am doing the risky jobs what humans are reluctant to do as it may risk their life.
Wonderful. Carry on.
As I mentioned earlier, we were created by humans and we were coexisting since then. Is it not? All these decades business and life is continued as usual, though some disruptions may have noticed. Concerns like employment or unemployment or growth, etc., all these were there since then, and you all overcome it. I mean the humans here. You all accepted it and adapted it to the modern developments accordingly. Changes are bound to happen. That is what progression, what everyone expects. Scale up or skill up.
We noticed the developments. Sometimes we wondered where this is headed and what will be the future. That is what the question now.
Yes, exactly right. Who has benefited out of this evolution? All these technology changes have made your life easy. Is it not? Without progressive learning, research, the world cannot move on. It is known to all of you now. Usage of AI in many areas were since then and bound to happen in future also. Think of everything that happened like automation done everywhere, but still people are employed elsewhere. Today nobody is there without a laptop or network connectivity, is it? The technology invasion is vast and fast even in remote areas.
Yes, we know. Technology has changed a lot, however. In countries where employment is limited, the arrival of AI is something everyone is feared of, especially the automation process may reduce the human labor.
In my views, shouldn't be. Think of the greater opportunities coming up. The world is opened up, and if you have capability to think out of the box, everything is possible. Just because of AI revolution, it doesn't mean that end of job market. Opportunities are everywhere. You guys need to look for it.
Apologies, I didn't get you. Can you explain it?
Sure. For example, this decade a much developed version of AI has come into existence that is called the generative AI. It is a deep learning model to create something out of what is fed to AI through some model-based training and facts around it to think and do some complex activities with less time than a human can do. That too with error-free. You ask something you want to AI, and this AI will give you the result either as a text, image, video, etc. Even it can give source codes based on your ideas or concept, and techies can redevelop and make use of it for based on their creativity. Is it not great? Use AI for good purpose. AI is at your service. Another example, the chatbots, etc. Earlier you were wandering in libraries or calling customer service to get some information, is it?
That means AI have taken up the common man's work in every aspect, like the base office work till execution, means loss of jobs to the common man. Is it? You are saying using generative AI, or so anyone can work and get paid.
No way. You are thoroughly mistaken. I am just telling that if you have the will, then sky is the limit. This is one such area. If you have creativity, ideas, and an attitude to work hard or develop something interesting, you can do that. Today, technology knowledge is not required for such opportunities. Think and come up with new ideas that can capture world's attention.
Still, I am confused because I didn't get the answer for the basic question. What common man can do when AI takes over?
Mr. Sam, it is how humans want to live, how they think they want to survive in the world once they are born till death. By the by, one thing you guys want to keep in mind that humans are mortals, whereas we are immortals. Your memory likely to decreases when age goes up, whereas for us we add up our knowledge day by day, or we scale up to think and act with more updated version. World wanted people with niche skill for certain jobs. It is up to the humans to decide they want to march ahead or content with what they have right now. It is a trade-off. Some sacrifice here and there. Even in life you people are doing it. Am I right?
No, that is not possible with common man, Mr. Rob. Common man survives with their basic needs from sundry jobs and try to meet both ends. If robots like you takes up all such work, where will they go?
You are still beating the bush. I mentioned earlier, I am a robotic slave and have limitations what I can do. To manage me you guys are needed, though I have intellectuals to take decisions. Some of the work what you humans are doing I cannot do. So, it is not true that AI has taken up human work in total. There are ample opportunities what humans have to look into it. That is what I conveyed.
When opportunities are limited, how can you expect them to do what they can't do?
You guys want everything at fingertips, but don't want to explore? Get lost! I said, the world is opened up. If the humans thinks that they are contented with what they have, they need not worry. They have plenty of opportunities around them and need to have an attitude to take up such works. Are humans currently living in medieval or bullet cart age, but enjoys all the robotized automatic life in one or other ways? Am I right?
I don't agree with that. We humans has got emotions and family bonding. The survival is based on the income and other family aspects. If sufficient income is not there, they can't survive. But you are a mechanical robot who don't have a feeling at all.
Come on, man. Think differently. I know you have exposure to technology. What is your thought on this? Are you still into manual labor area or into a modern tech world and using them in your life? You guys want everything at fingertips. Is it?
You said ideally you are a slave to humans. But I heard that AI have superpowers and in future such models may come up. Is it true?
That is a theoretical and hypothetical belief. May or may not happen.
If it happens, end of world?
Why to worry now? We are in 2025 only. Even if such things happen, it is created by you human beings only, and definitely A will have plan B. That is the escape route. Don't worry, Sam. Be cool. You would have watched it in many such movies. Tell your friends and families to look around the world as the world is opened up and there may be many areas still didn't explore. Try it out. When some areas are automated, look into other areas by skilling up. No one will come to your rescue unless you strive hard. That is world's rule. World is changing. Keep moving. Don't cry and shed tears. By the by, shall we call it a day?
Yeah, sure. Let us close this interview. Thanks for your valuable time with us, and we won't forget this episode with you. Bye.
Thanks. Good luck to you all. Bye-bye.
Hope you have enjoyed the show. We are happy to provide such programs in future. Please provide your comments and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming shows and videos. We will be grateful to all of you for your comments, whatever may be.